Alright guys, I finally finished the ring. I think overall it turned out pretty cool. It's got some handmade uniqueness to it, I guess. It was a first try. And it didn't turn out exactly how I wanted it to, but you know what? That's what practice is for. But this actually turns out still looks really nice, especially with that that inlay, the copper inlay. It looks really neat. So you can see where it connected. But yeah, the copper inlay makes it look really neat. With this wood, it doesn't stand out as much. So I think I'm going to try this again with a darker kind of wood, and maybe walnut or something that might make it look kind of cool. But otherwise, I think it turned out pretty good. I like it. I'd give it away to somebody, and if it worked for me, so these aren't something that I would make all the time, like for a craft show or something, because it takes far too much time to do. This is something that you would actually make for somebody you want to give it to, and make it something more special than just a quick sale. Unless you're selling them for a lot, I suppose then. But it takes a lot of practice. This is it's real fine tuned, especially when you put that inlay in. You really got to get that inlay perfect. It's got to be straight. You got to make the groove that it sits in exactly the right size. I think next time what I might do is try with thicker copper wire, and see if that would work better, because this one, once you put it in there, there's hardly any that you can actually take away to finish it out. So anyway, like and subscribe if you like this video. If not, don't like and subscribe. I don't know. Leave a comment. Let us know what you like, what you don't like, what you'd like us to see, things like that. But other than that, see you later.